Good evening. This is advanced accounting and topic name is valuation of goodwill and valuation of shares topic. Okay. Now it's a previous paper. I will explain. That is January 2023, Palamuri University. Yeah, question number 13A. On the basis of following information, calculate intrinsic value of an equity share. Intrinsic value method means net assets method. Okay. Now further states that 5,000 6% preference shares. I am going to explain valuation of shares and valuation of goodwill topic. Now I am going to be explain Palamuri University January 2023 previous question paper. That is 13A problem number 13A. Now explain that on the basis of the following information, calculate the intrinsic value of an equity share. Here intrinsic value method means net assets method. So 5,000 6% preference shares at the rate of 100 rupees each. Now 30,000 equity shares. 30,000 equity shares at the rate of 10 rupees. Now, yes, total tangible assets other than goodwill 9,49,000, total outside liabilities 95,000 rupees given. Average net profit after tax is 62,560. Next, expected normal yield for equity share is 7% of capital employed. And previously already discussed about the rate of capital employed. When the capital employed rate is given, we should find the goodwill by super profit method. See, yes, and further is stated goodwill is to be taken at 5 years, purchase of super profits if any. Then clearly stated capital rate of capital employed given, we should find the goodwill by super profit method. Then before the calculation of super profit, then we are going to find the capital employed. See, calculation of capital employed. Capital employed equation, same assets and liabilities. Same equation, net assets equation are, but except assets. Already in this problem, tangible assets, total tangible assets given other than goodwill. So 9,49,000. This is called total. No other assets are given. Total tangible is given. So this is called as total assets. Minus liabilities under schedule number 2. Liabilities. already given 5,000 6% preference share capital taken, 6% preference share capital given, so taken, that is 5,000 into 100, that is called as 5 lakhs. So 5 lakh share capital is given, 5 lakhs given, so write in the liability side. Next, outside, total outside liabilities also given, total outside liabilities given, that is 95,000. And also further, reserves and surplus should not be taken at the time of calculation of net assets, and also equity share capital also not taken at the time of calculation of capital employed or net assets. So total 5,95,000 belongs to total liabilities. So difference between total assets and total liabilities, capital employed because of other than goodwill, including goodwill is called net assets, other than goodwill are called capital employed. So different is 9,49,000 minus 5,95,000, remaining is called 3,54,000. Then capital employed calculated. Now next, clearly given in the problem, we should find the goodwill first. See, calculation of goodwill by super profit method. See, goodwill equation, goodwill is equal to super profit into number of purchase years. Then number of purchases are given in the problem 5 times, 5 years given, but not given super profit. Then we are going to be find the super profit. Super profit equation is average profit minus rate of capital employed. In this problem, average profit given in the problem, average net profit is 62,560 minus rate of capital employed. Already rate of capital employed calculated 5,54,000. Yes, rate of capital employed 7% given in the problem. So multiply into 7%, that is 24,780. So different balance 62,560, that is the 37,780. This is called as the super profit. Then which is substitute in the goodwill equation. Super profit is 37,780 and number of purchase years are given 5 years. Therefore goodwill is equal to 1,88,900. This is called as the goodwill. 62,560 minus 24,780. Different is 37,780. Multiply with 5 years. So called 1,88,900. This is a goodwill. Then now find the calculation of share value. Share value by net assets method. Net assets. See, share value is equal to over capital employed already calculated. Capital employed plus goodwill divided by number of equity shares. Capital employed already calculated 3,54,000 plus goodwill is 1,88,900 divided by number of equity shares already given in the problem 30,000. Therefore, share value is 18 rupees. 18.10. Actually 18.096. So round the answer is 18.10. This is called as valuation of share. This is valuation of goodwill by super profit method. Then this is called as calculation of capital employed. Other than goodwill, our answer is capital employed. Including goodwill is called as the net assets. Net assets equation and capital employed equation are same, but excluding goodwill in capital employed, total assets, the goodwill are included. So this is same equation at the time of calculation of net assets and capital employed. Capital employed rate is given, then find the capital employed. Rate is not given. Generally assets minus liabilities is called net assets. So substitute in the directly equation. So this is called as the share value under the net asset method. Thank you.